In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the cover image in board view on ClickUp. Navigating a busy board view in ClickUp can be quite a challenge. With numerous tasks laid out before you, it might sometimes seem a little daunting to keep everything organized. Fortunately, there is an easy way to make this digital space more navigable and visually appealing by adding a simple cover image to your tasks. This small yet highly effective tweak can significantly enhance your experience by providing instant visual cues, allowing you to effortlessly identify projects, distinguish between various types of work, or simply add a touch of personal flair to your digital workspace. To begin with, you'll want to select the task for which you wish to change the cover image. Click on the task to open it. This is your starting point. Once you have the task open, you'll want to scroll down a bit until you reach the attachments section. Now, this part is key. Before you can set a new cover image, you need to make sure you've uploaded a file that you want to use as the cover image. Whether it's a logo, a project-related image, or just something aesthetically pleasing, you'll need to ensure it's uploaded here. Once your desired file is uploaded, the next step is straightforward. You'll notice an ellipsis next to the uploaded file. Click on this ellipsis, and you'll see an option to set the file as the cover photo. Go ahead and select that option. By doing this, you've effectively designated the chosen image as the cover for your task. You can repeat these steps for other tasks if you wish to create a cohesive visual system across your board view. And just like that, you've successfully set a cover photo for your task. This seemingly small change could have a surprisingly big impact on your workflow efficiency. Now, each time you glance at your board view, you'll be greeted with clear, distinctive images that help you stay on top of your projects at a mere glance. Whether you're using images to categorize projects, highlight priorities, or simply beautify your workspace, this feature adds a nice touch of personalization and functionality. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy for you. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images to see what works best for you and your team. The key is to create a workspace that not only meets your needs, but is also enjoyable to use. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.